खिला ले रहे स्टॉप कर
सर एक मिनट सर एक मिनट आगे रिव्यू मार
फोटो ही जाए ना पसंद आ रहा है
ऑफलाइन नेट कनेक्ट करना है नेट नहीं आ रहा पार्टी ऑन जो मोबाईल आमच्या फ्रेंड अंगरूत घेऊया नो आडे तू दाडायला मागे रे बाबा आता मागे बाईट घेऊया फाटी रे बघा घेऊन ये मला सगळ्यांना घेऊन गेला होता फाटी मागे थोडा
आता हे मध्ये येतं मला
आट्टा फाटी आणि जो अंगरू घेतो काय कसं नाही Sir, bite.
Sir, just one comment on this photo exhibition. No, it's a good exhibition. I've seen.
ये ना कर रहा है बोले ना सर
Thank you. Yes, Girish. Sir.
ए भरत भरत राव जा अंगारा अंगारा
कोण येता कोणा
अखिलेश भाई भरत 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 भाई लाइट दे दो भरत भरत
छोड़ने को गए
आप चालू करो साइश
हाँ
एक प्रकाश यूथ कांग्रेस प्रशांत त्यासाठी हाँ बोला आप सर आज एग्जीबिशन के बारे में यूथ कांग्रेस
आज भारत की पहली महिला प्रधानमंत्री भारत रत्न श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी जी की जन्म जयंती है। आज उसके उपलक्ष्य में यहाँ पर गोवा यूथ कांग्रेस द्वारा एग्जीबिशन शो आयोजित किया गया। इंदिरा गांधी जी देश की लौह पुरुष लौह महिला थी, जिनकी वजह से आज गोवा को ओपिनियन पोल डे मिला और गोवा को उसकी पहचान मिली। इसके उपलक्ष्य में आज गोवा प्रदेश यूथ कांग्रेस द्वारा हमारे पीसीसी प्रेसिडेंट आदरणीय गिरीश जी रजनाल जी के नेतृत्व में पूरी गोवा प्रदेश यूथ कांग्रेस कमेटी ने एक फोटो एग्जीबिशन आयोजित किया है और ये एग्जीबिशन कुल 10 दिन तक यहाँ चलेगा। मैं गोवा के सभी लोगों से, युवाओं से, यहाँ के लोगों से अपील करना चाहूँगा वो आए और अपनी लेगेसी को देखें आगे।
आज यहाँ पर एग्जीबिशन इट इज द ग्लोरियस पास्ट of the Congress party. Congress and party Kerala, it is there for people to watch, not for people who are now come and want to change the history. Itu or history ha change kar सकता है, but it will not be possible. आज you have seen the consequences of the farm laws. Same thing is going to happen, and there is a nice saying: history repeats. So what they are trying to do will not happen. There's one thing clear, and our glorious past. History, what was there, it will be a permanent history and a history which India which is today इतले वर्षा आमगे इंडिया बांधून काढल्या उलोवपाक सोंपें आमचेर काँग्रेस पार्टीचे बट जे केला ते it is clear that what the country projected for the last 10 years and what was before. The difference is before the people. So this has been done by our Congress party, and we would treasure it as a very good past of ours.
India's Indira, a photo exhibition of very rare photographs captured in action of former Prime Minister who sacrificed herself for the national integrity and to keep India united. Srimati Indira Gandhi, on her 104th birth anniversary by our Goa Pradesh Youth Congress. I want to congratulate Youth Congress for this fabulous work of organizing all her photographs, very old photographs, very rare photographs, very touching photographs. The photographs which were not in a public domain, and it is an opportunity for all the youngsters to understand about Indira Gandhi and what Congress stands for. I appeal all the youths, students, also the critics of the Congress, that they should spare some time, 10 minutes, to come and see these photographs, enjoy these photographs, try to see the history into it, see the reality into it and just try to understand what the Congress and our former leaders have gone through, how they have built the country. So this exhibition will be open for the next 10 days for the public. So I appeal each and everyone to please come here. It's on the Miramar Road, just opposite Bank of India, the Empo House, and it is open for the public. Anybody can come and have a look at it.
गोंय प्रदेश युवा काँग्रेसीन आयोजीत केल्ल्या या इंडियाज इंदिरा या फोटो एक्झिबिशनाक आज हांगा आमचे देशाचे माजी गृहमंत्री तशेंच फायनान्स मिनिस्टर आनी गोंयचे सिनियर ऑब्जर्वर पी चिदंबरम हांणी इनॉग्रेट केला. तशेंच आमचे पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट गिरीश चोडणकर, वर्किंग प्रेसिडेंट रेजिनाल्ड आणि इतर सगळे आमचे काँग्रेस पक्षाचे लिडर्स, युथ काँग्रेस लिडर्स, महिला काँग्रेस अध्यक्ष आणि त्यांची कमिटी आज सगळ्यांना उपस्थित आशिल्ली. तर हे एक रेअर जे फोटोज त्याचे आज हांगा एक्झिबिशन आमी घडोवन हाडला आणि ह्या फोटोंतल्यान एक इंदिरा गांधीची जी कारकीर्द आसा ती ह्या फोटो एक्झिबिशनांतल्यान दिसून येता. इतिहास जरी कितकोय ह्या लोकांनी आज चेंज करपाचो जर प्रयत्न केलो, बदलपाचो प्रयत्न केलो, तरी इतिहास हो बदलचो ना. इंदिरा गांधीचो आणि काँग्रेस पक्षाचो एकंदरीत जो इतिहास आसा ह्या फोटो एक्झिबिशनांतल्यान हो इतिहास दिसून येता. आज 104th बर्थ एनिवर्सरीच्या निमतान आज आमी हे फोटो एक्झिबिशन हांगा घडोवन हाडला. हांव सगळ्या गोंयच्या तरणाट्या कडेन तशेंच गोंयच्या जनते कडेन मागता की तेंच्यांनी खास करून जे आयच्यान जे सुरवात जाता 19 तारीख 29 तारीख पर्यंत हें एक्झिबिशन आमचें हांगा आसतलें तें तुमी सगळ्यांनी येवन हांगा हें फोटो एक्झिबिशन पळोवन जो इतिहास आसा देशाचो आमचो, जे काँग्रेस पक्षाचो जो इतिहास आसा आणि खास करून इंदिरा गांधीची कारकीर्द जी जन्मा पासून तिचे जिणे लायफ जे देशा खातीर सॅक्रिफायस केले तो पर्यंतचो जो काळ आसा तो हांगा ह्या सगळ्या ह्या फोटोंतल्यान दिसून येता. तो तुमी हांगा येवन ते तुमी फोटो.
गिरीश, तुमकां दिसना की एका सायडच्यान फिल्म फेस्टिवल चलता आनी एका तुमचें एक्झिबिशन दीस शूड हॅव एटलीस्ट दे शूड हॅव टेकन कन्सिडरेशन टेकिंग हिंगा एक्झिबिशन काय दाखोवंक शकताले म्हणून. शी हॅज बीन अ प्रायम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया.
The present dispensation wants to rewrite the history of India. They don't recognize any prime minister before 2014. They don't even recognize BJP's prime minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. So they feel that India is born only in 2014. India got freedom only in 2014. So they don't know anything before 2014. It looks like India got independence only in 2014 and Modi brought that independence and Modi became Prime Minister and this entire India is built by Modi. So BJP's Andhabhakt, they don't see beyond 2014. For them, 2014 is the beginning of India. And so how they can allow something that has happened before 2014, because they don't want people to know the truth. They want people to know only from their angle what they want to see India as. So for them the India is only after Narendra Modi became the Prime Minister.
Photographs are a silent but powerful medium of expression. Today, our Youth Congress members, led by its president, Bharat Bab, has put up a beautiful exhibition to remind our future generation, our younger generations, the glorious history and past of this country. Indira Gandhi is not only a part of the Indian history, but Indira Gandhi is a part of the global history and everybody knows it. When you see a photograph, they may be still photographs, but they are loaded with history. And today, our Youth Congress members have provided an opportunity to the public, especially I say the younger generation, to know this glorious past. आणि कितले भाशेन ह्या BJP सरकारान तर आमचो इतिहास बदलपाक एक तेंची ट्राय करतात ते कशेंच जावचें ना, कित्याक इतिहास जो आहा तो इतिहासूच उरतलो आनी जे आमचे पयलींचे पंतप्रधान तशेंच आमचे फ्रिडम फायटरांनी जे आमचे स्वतंत्रताय खातीर लढले तो इतिहास सदांच उरतलो. आनी आज म्हाका दिसता हे फोटोग्राफी एक्झिबिशनान ह्या इतिहासाचो कांय फॅसेट्स आमकां पळोवंक मेळ्ळा. देव बरें.
सर्वप्रथम हांव आमचे यूथ काँग्रेसचे जे लिडर्स आसात तांकां कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट करता. आज इंदिरा गांधीचे 104 जन्म हे आसा एनिवर्सरी आसा बर्थ एनिवर्सरी, and on this day I really congratulate youth Congress. Now this is a day which we have to celebrate because it is Indira Gandhi, who was called as the Iron Lady, who was also considered in 2020 as among the 100 tall leaders is defined. Now even the BBC has recognized her, and they have also agreed that she is the lady who can motivate all the ladies all over the world. Today I'm happy that all my young ladies who are there in Congress, they are going to get motivated after seeing the pictures of her. I have seen these pictures earlier also. Certain pictures, especially the picture of her wedding. She being a daughter of the first Prime Minister, yet she preferred to wear a sari which was a khadi sari, and that khadi sari was made by her own father in jail, in prison. And that sari she wore, and let me tell you, the same sari was also worn by Sonia Gandhi. She is the one who had a very tough time when she was a young child, Indira Gandhi. She had seen a very tough time because most of the time her father was in prison. But through prison, the father tried to educate his daughters. And one thing which I still remember of his letter is that he always told her, work in the brightness, work in the daylight, because whatever that you do, it should be transparent and known to the people, not to work in the darkness. So that's how he has instilled these many good values in Indira Gandhi, and Indira Gandhi has become a guideline, she has become a guiding force, and she is the one who has promoted many women in India.
आयचे दिसा हांव आमचे दर एक गोंयकार भावांक उगडास करूं सोदता की आमी गोंयकार म्हूण बोवाड मारताय ते हे बायले लागून, आमची इंदिरा गांधी हे बायलेक लागून आमकां एक गोंयकार स्पेशल, आमकां गोंयकार म्हणून गोवा आमकां मेळ्ळा. ना जाल्यार ते महाराष्ट्र आसताले नाल्यार कर्नाटका आसताले, आम गोंयकार आसपा नाहली. सो हे मातशें तुमचे मोतीन धरात आनी आमकां एक स्ट्रेट वर्ड जाय की आमचे गोवा आमकां जाय, जे आमकां हे बायलेन दिलां ते सदांच जाय. थँक्यू.
आज इंडियेची आयर्न लेडी म्हणटाले आमी, आदली पंतप्रधान, तिका आज 104वो बर्थ एनिवर्सरी, आनी त्या निमतान आज एक फोटो एक्झिबिशन काँग्रेसीन हांगा आयोजीत केला आनी धा दीस एक्झिबिशन आसतलें. ते फोटो तुम्ही पळयल्यारूच कळटा की तिजें केदें व्हडलें काम हें आमच्या देशा खातीर तिणें काम केलें. तिचो एक आदर्श म्हणजे ती एक पॉलिटिकल ती व्हडली म्हणजे एक जगान एक फेमस लिडर जावन गेली. एक तिनूच बायलो तेन्ना ती प्रायम मिनिस्टर आसतना त्या जगाचे तिनूच बायलां एक पावरफूल जावन जावन गेली. एक मार्गारेट थॅचर, एक ती आनी एक आनीक लेडी आशिल्ली. आनी अशें काम सगळ्या लोकांक आज तरणाट्यांक खातीर तिजें काम हे फोटो पळयल्यार कळटलें. तिजें जेन्ना एसेसिनेशन जालें म्हणजे तिका मारली तेन्ना एक प्रश्न घराघरान पडलो की तिच्या उपरांत कोण, इंदिरा गांधी उपरांत प्रायम मिनिस्टर कोण, असो प्रश्न केन्नाच एक खंयच्या आतांच्या हितून तुका तसो प्रश्न येवचो ना. पूण त्या टायमार एक प्रश्न लोकांच्या घराघरान प्रश्न आयला, आतां तिच्या फाटल्यान कोण लिडर ना, आमचो देश कसो चलतलो हेजेर ह्याच वयल्यान कितें तें काम कळटालें आनी ह्या खातीरूच आज कितें एक्झिबिशन हांगासर दवरल्या बद्दल यूथ काँग्रेसीचे आनी काँग्रेस पार्टीचे आमी आभार मानता कित्याक लोकांक हे आतांच्या जनरेशनाक हे फोटो पळयल्यार कितें काम कळटलें म्हणून.